Hello all, I'm Beth. I'm going to do another little painting with you. These are the weeds in my front yard. It's a little chart of the weeds. I tried to do henbit. You can see the henbit right here. And I tried to do a video of henbit and it just did not work out because things needed to dry and they didn't dry soon enough. So I'm going to do this sweet pea and hopefully this will be more successful. Let's start out with the purple flower. These little bitty peas appear in my yard every year. And trust me, they are the tiniest little things. And you just pull them up because they're everywhere and they're, kind of unsightly if you don't, take care of them. But they're also actual peas and they are edible if you're willing to, if you're willing to actually go out and pick them and shell them and eat them. It's ridiculous just how much you have to do though. So I'm going to make a darker purple now because this little part of the flower here that hangs down is a darker purple. Oh, that's so pretty. Make these teeny weeny little 2-inch long pea pods. And the peas inside are maybe a couple of millimeters in diameter. They're just so little. So let me just put I'm just going to dot a little of this in there and let it spread. There we go. That's about what it looks like. And then I'm just going to add green. And the green is a very bright, springy green. And I'm going to try very, very hard not to touch the purple because I don't want it to run and bleed like it did on the henbit. I couldn't even upload it because it just looked so terrible. Some things work and some things don't. And my stuff here is extremely low tech, extremely low tech. In fact, I'm thinking about getting a different little camera because this is actually out of focus. It's such a cheap camera. I can't even get it to be in focus properly. Okay, there's your sweet pea. Now I'm going to do a little pod here just so that you can see maybe how big the pods are. They're only about that big, So if you come on down here, maybe we can just join that to they're tiny. They're teeny weeny. Can you imagine shelling peas from a pod that's that tiny and small? So I'm just going to add a different color green because really you want some dynamism in this. You just put a little teeny weeny bit of green right in the middle of the flower. Just a little. It might be yellow, it might be green, depends on how mature the flower is. So I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you will paint along.